happens for our good. In life, you might have had certain setbacks. We have to come out of it, learn from it. And other situations maybe is you might have given your best for preparing for an exam, say for example, but the result, the outcome may not be as you expected. So in this case, what you might have takes a step back and look, if you see what did I do wrong, what are the opportunities for me here, instead of getting mad, what are the opportunities here, is this a stepping stone for me to get better? So that is when you may think whatever happens may be happening for our good, right? You may not get into one university, but you may, if you try a little harder, you might get into some other university. So in that context, I would like to tell a fabulous story. Once upon a time, there was a king in India ruling the southern part of India. He was a benevolent king. He was a very nice person, and all his people were very happy the way he was doing his stuff. The good thing for him was he had very good administrative staff, so that he would get good help from them and provide the required help back to the people. Among all those administrative staff, one of the ministers was very favorite to him. They would go out for hunting together, they would do a lot of social activity together, and the minister provided excellent decisions during conflicts, and the king realized that those decisions were very fruitful in the long term. So they had a very good rapport. One day, the king was practicing his horse racing, imagining that an enemy was following him, so he was riding the horse very fast. And during that fast chase scene that he was imagining, he tripped over, the horse tripped over, and he fell from his horse. He fell far away, and like in this accident, he broke his thumb, and blood was spilling all over his dress, and he was in terrible pain, and he fell over, and he was in terrible pain, and all his dress was, he had a lot of bruises all over his dress. All his soldiers and the ministers ran over to comfort him. And seeing the king in deep pain, the minister said in slow voice, "King, we really understand the pain you are going through. We are really sorry for that." And he said, "Whatever happens, happens for good." The king, who was sitting down on the mud, he realized, "What? I lost my finger? And this minister says it is better, it is good, whatever happens is good." He was completely mad. He immediately screamed and said, "Soldiers, please put him in the prison right away." He had so much rapport, but he, with his immediate pain and with his madness, he asked him to put him in prison. Immediately, they put him in the prison, and the king got little better, like say in 2 weeks, but he was still thinking about, he was missing the minister in the administrative dealings, and he was missing his finger. Still he was in deep sadness. To come out of it, one day he went to hunting all by himself. And that day, even with this thought process going on in the back of his mind about the minister and his thumb, he just went deep into the forest, and he did not realize it was late evening though. Couple of people, local tribal people in the forest, noticed the king, and they caught hold of him and tied him into the tree and took all over his possessions. And the king was very sad again. Then they thought they'll kill him and offer his body to one of their deities. Before that, the prerequisite for them was your body should be in perfect condition. When they checked the body, because the king didn't have the finger, they let him go. And then the king realized, "Oh God, this saved my life today. Yeah, whatever the minister said is true." He immediately ran back to his kingdom. He asked the soldiers to release him, and then he spoke to the minister. And then he asked, "Minister, okay, you told me whatever happened for my good. I realized that because I lost my finger, that saved my life. But what happened to you? Why did I put you in the prison? Intelligently, the minister replied that because you put me in the prison, it saved my life. Otherwise, I would have been with you. With the perfect body, I would have been killed. So the moral of the story is, whatever happens for our good. We should see it in the long-term context. Short-term, like the king, he felt terrible pain. But in the long term, if you see, it saved his life. Thank you.